I'm Kylene.
And I'm Aaron from our Success Group. We're passionate about helping others succeed through our mission of providing actionable resources to get you to your idea of success.
We understand that feeling of knowing something is holding you back, but the solution seems to be just outside your reach. You work hard in your business, you work hard as a parent, you work hard as a partner or spouse. All that hard work seems to always run up against something that stops you from sharing your gifts with the world. It stops you from living a life that's fulfilling and meaningful.
Are you watching others succeed and wondering what they have that you don't? We know there's a block keeping you from what you deserve. There's a secret locked away inside of each of us. It's that culprit, it's that block. Yet we never think about fixing it because it has to be something external from ourselves. It is the limiting belief that everyone wants to just push aside and try to hustle and grind harder to get there. But the truth is, those limiting beliefs are keeping you from asking for help, from taking the next step, or doing the action needed to move your business forward.
The sooner you can identify what's holding you back, the sooner you will start achieving your goals. It can be scary to let go and trust that good will come from something that may feel a little uncomfortable, but guess what? That's where the magic happens.
Together, Kylene and I host an hour-long workshop that will guide you through a proven meditation to identify what limiting belief is holding you back. Then you can rewrite the stories you tell yourself into stories that will serve you. Yes, meditation can seem a little out there, but trust me, if you allow yourself to play full out, the results you experience will be well worth it. We've both experienced it.
We make sure to provide a safe environment, free of judgment and full of support as you go through this process. Head on over to oursuccessgroup.com/unlock and click the turquoise button, Learn the Magic to Unlock Your Potential.
The workshop happens every month at different times and days, so there's sure to be a time that is right for your schedule.
Yes, after you click on Learn the Magic button, you're able to pick the date that works best for your schedule.
We would love for you to join us as soon as you are ready to unlock your potential, and the cost is only $19.99.
We hope you make this investment in yourself and unlock your potential so you can find more meaning and success in your life.